Today we're going to be talking about symbiotic relationships and what they are. Basically, a symbiotic relationship is a relationship between two or more organisms within the ecosystem.
There are 5 main symbiotic relationships in an ecosystem. There's mutualism, commensalism, competition, parasitism, and predation.
First one we're going to go over is mutualism. Mutualism is a symbiotic relationship that is beneficial to both organisms involved. The first example of mutualism is an alligator and a bird. The bird cleans out the alligator's mouth and obtains food from the alligator, while the alligator is getting clean. Both organisms are benefited in this situation.
The next symbiotic relationship we'll be talking about today is commensalism. Commensalism is a symbiotic relationship between two organisms where one benefits and the other does not benefit and it does not harm. An example of commensalism is a barnacle and a whale. The barnacle attaches onto the whale and is able to get exposed to ocean currents for feeding opportunities, while the whale is not affected by this relationship.
The next one we're going to go over is competition. This is when two organisms compete for the same resource in an ecosystem. This example of competition is two rams fighting in order to see who is the dominant male. Usually the dominant male gets to mate with the other female.
The next one we'll be talking about is parasitism. Parasitism is a symbiotic relationship between two organisms of plants or animals in which one benefits at the expense of the other, sometimes without killing. An example of parasitism is when a mosquito bites a human. When the mosquito bites the human, it sucks the human's blood and harms the human, but it's beneficial for the mosquito.
The last one we'll be going over is predation. Predation is where one organism preys on another organism for food. This example of predation is where the lion preys on the zebra in order to get food. That's basically everything you need to know about symbiotic relationships
and the roles they play in ecosystems.
Yeah.